Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to perform a clean boot in Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. Go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select the services tab and check mark hide all Microsoft service. And now you need to select disable all and then select startup tab and select open task manager. In here you need to disable all startup programs. You just need to right click on it and select disable it, guys. I already disabled all. After doing this you need to close it off here. Now you need to select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option to apply the changes. After restarting your PC, your Windows 11 startup with a clean boot, guys. So if you want to revert back to normal boot, then you just need to go to search menu and type msconfig. Click on open the system configuration. In here under the startup selection, select normal startup, guys. After selecting it, select apply and OK for save changes. Now you need to select the restart option for the changes take effect. After restarting your PC, your Windows 11 will be startup with your normal boot, guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.